Are you tired of seeing stuff like this from ChatGPT? Because me too. It doesn't access the internet. It's a great language model, but it doesn't access the internet. So that makes it so it's not quite as good at some tasks as it could be. And there's no jailbreak. There's no prompt that you can put that will allow ChatGPT to access the internet. It's not possible. But there are other services that are, and where that is possible. And so this one, look, I asked it to tell me about the recent news with the Speaker of the House that happened like literally this week, and it told me about it, and it even gave me a citation for it. And yep, this is exactly what I was talking about, January 7th, 2023. So this one accesses the internet, and also it's just like Chat GPT. So like I can ask it generate a Python script for Hello World. It's not the most impressive example, but it'll do it. And it'll do now regex numbers out of a string, something like that. It's Come on, give me an example. Oh yeah, right there. Yeah. So in this way, it's very similar to ChatGPT, but this one actually has access to the internet. So it's great. And oh, and by the way, this is called u.com. So go to u.com and then go to the chat. This is the chat feature, uChat. This is really good. If you go to u.com, it'll bring you to the search page, which is also good. But this is like the chat is what we're looking for. The chat is like a Chat GPT. So yeah, this is basically this is how you search the internet now. It's just so much quicker. But yeah, thanks for watching.